Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this is a special bundle which comes with a GoPro Hero Shorty and a battery and an extreme 32GB of memory card. So I'm going to be show you the experience of the unboxing of this special edition. So as you can see, this is official India product and this is the Hero 7 Black, last year's model. So without any further ado, let us do the unboxing of this product. So I will be removing this plastic packaging over this box. So guys, this GoPro in India are being imported by this company Creative Peripherals. So this company is also giving us 1 year extended warranty for India products, so it makes a 2-year warranty product here in India. So moving ahead guys, opening up the box from here. So basically guys, the motive of this video is to just see the difference in the packaging of this special bundle, how the special bundle gifts are being packed. So there is nothing else. So our GoPro Hero 7 Black is mounted on top of it, so I'll be just keeping it as it is. So first of all, we are going to see the packaging experience of the freebies of this special bundle. So first of all, you are going to see your standard paperwork, which is showing you how to take out the camera from the mount and all these things. If you have questions, you can start reading these things, chat with their experts. Okay, so moving ahead guys, we have the GoPro stickers, and this is our manual. I guess no one reads this, so this is this. And let us see what else we have inside of this box. Of course, there are the freebies as well. So guys, this is the first freebie. You have your 32GB of extreme memory card, which is supported by GoPro Hero 7 for 4K video recording. Again guys, moving ahead, you have your standard mounts that you get with the GoPros. This is mount number 1 and mount 2nd will be here somewhere. So let me just keep these things aside, and you have your USB Type-C for charging and syncing of this GoPro. I'll be just keeping it aside as well. This is your battery number 1 that comes as standard, and this is your battery number 2, which is a freebie of this special bundle. Moving ahead guys, this is our GoPro Shorty right here in this plastic packaging. So there is only one GoPro mount, which simply never happens in my GoPro Hero White unboxing. If you see, the link will be in the description. I got 2 mount in that box, but in this box I got only just 1 mount. The flat mount is missing in this case, but it is what it is. So this is our GoPro Shorty. So I won't be taking out the GoPro Hero 7 Black from the mount because it's just normal, this is our GoPro Shorty. So let me just take it out, and this is our GoPro Shorty. We can mount our GoPro on the Shorty, and this also works as tripod. I've never used this personally, so this is also my first time experience of me using this. So this is our GoPro Shorty, which also works as tripod, and this thing also lifts. So you just have to pull this thing out and it comes out like this. So this is the maximum height that you can lift your GoPro with the Shorty, and you can also spread out the legs to make it a tripod with this height adjuster as well. So this is our GoPro Shorty, which comes as freebie in this special bundle, and this is our extra battery, which also comes as freebie in this special bundle. And this is our 32 gigabytes of extreme memory card, which comes as bundle in this box. So these are the 3 things of this special bundle in this GoPro Hero 7 box, and rest of the things are just same. You have your GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I will be making a lot of videos with this camera since my GoPro Hero 7 White, which I purchased earlier, is no longer with me, and this is our main GoPro from now on. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick unboxing video of this GoPro Hero 7 Black, and if you did enjoy this video, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.